Kawawa naman yung ulo niya. Ano. Halika na dito. Inaapi-api ka lang naman nila. Halika rito. Ano ginagawa?
Sa nabinyagan pang nalilimunan ni Ina.
Ano naman ginawa mong sa kilay mo?
Sir, sorry na pa. Sir,
Hindi, ganito yan. Lahat, magtanong ka ng lahat na army, lahat ng pulis ng dumaan ng Davao. I give money every command conference. Tapos operating. Ngayon, kung meron silang by bus, maghingi ng pera yan. Pambili. Kasi kung wala kang pera, walang transaction sa Cebu. Wala akong favoritism. Kung anong binibigay ko sa ibang unit, binibigay ko sa kanila.
sir, sa Pro Duterte rally, nagsigawan yung mga tao, ay sunod na daw si Senator Trillanes kay De Lima. Ano po yung, meron ba tayong susunod na
Ano,
isunod niya raw si Senator Trillanes kay Senator Lima.
is too insignificant to bother you, sir.
Mr. President,
Ba't papato na?
yung uplantokhang?
Sa PNP?
I don't know. I would leave it to the PNP to decide. Anong kailangan nila? What they have to do to succeed? I do not meddle in the mechanisms there. Wala ako, basta ang akin is ito, tapusin mo, ito, gawin mo. I do not inquire into how, where, what.
So yun lang pong ibang mga alter ego nyo, halimbawa sila Marching, sila Secretary Lopez, may iba't ibang mga pinufloat tapos binabawi. For example, si Senator Secretary Aguirre, ang sabi niya, parang dinidisow niya yung sinabi niya kay Trillanes. Tapos si Gina sabi may bribery na 50 million, tapos sabi niya hindi pala naman totoo yun. Pero pag gano'n sir nangyayari, paano ba yun? Iba-iba yung...
Well, we have our own sources. This is a democracy. And even, sabi ko, just to show to you how, hindi naman there's no discord there, but anything that is of public interest, you can always go public. Mas mabuti na yung mali, basta kisa taguin mo na suppress a lie. You might as well just tell the truth, even if the truth is half, or it is not the truth at all.
Left, may yan na tayo. May, gumagana pa ba yun sir?
Ma'am, hindi ko pa nagamit to. Sa totoo lang.
Sorry, sir,
Naawan.
lalagyan to ng makeup.
Sir, baka masama
Okay,
yung
tama ka na po.
Sa uli mo lang tapos kung gusto mo lang.
Sir, yung piece of sa left.
Meron ako
Thank you,
dito,
sir.
nag-drip rin ako.
Anong progress sir sa PNP cleansing? How long will it take to cleanse the police?
I will know, I will ask the PNP itself, the command conference, so everybody's there. And if anybody wants to talk, because we are short of this particular action or an excessive one, in the exercise of their functions, then they can tell me.
Ano pong plano nila kay Janet Napoles? I-resume ito or
I will try to assess. Kasi parang selective yung binira eh. Hindi naman lahat na, you know, it's a sauce for the gander, sauce for the goose. The criminal action must proceed against all who are responsible. That's the principle. The criminal action should proceed against all persons responsible therefore. That's the principle behind it.
Sir, parang may hindi gusto yung ibang tao na ginawa ni OSG. Na parang in effect, parang lawyering for Napoles. Parang...
I think he's right. I agree with because your job, even if you are the prosecutor, I have done that several times when I was a prosecutor. I myself would move for the dismissal of the case, especially one yung fabricated, planted evidence, yung ganon. Ako talaga nagsasabi, because your honor, the evidence was...
Sir, but it has nothing to do with connections po ng mga lawyers niya sa inyo, sir. Sir Attorney David.
Ako, pagka ganon, Saka totoo naman, how could there be the circumstances would show it. He was not restrained at all. If you follow the story of the Solicitor General, it's right. He could go in and out. Ilang beses nagbisita yung media sa kanya. He never really, hindi lang man sa tumiyak. Para sa akin talaga, kung ako, i-dismiss ko rin talaga. I will move for the dismissal of the case. Because it is not our job to persecute. It is your job to prosecute rightly. Simple ano lang yan, simple
Sir,
justice.
dismissal ng illegal detention, not the PDAP case.
Hindi, PDAP cases. Yung PDAP cases, it's full. I don't know. Because you must appear to be the least responsible. If you're the most responsible there, how can you...
What do you think of her role?
Gamitin mo na yung, ano mo, pawis mo,
Sir, what do you think
maabot
of,
na sa ilong.
sir, what do you think of ano? Sir, what do you think of...
Dito sa mata mo, ano yan? Yan. Yan.
Sir, what do you think of Napoles' role in the PDAP?
A lot, I would say. Judging from, baka, may kaso ba? Kasi mahirap naman masabi tayo dito. Huwag niyo akong tanongin ng masasabit lang ako dyan.
Sir,
Kahiya.
message kay De Lima, sir.
Presidente ako tapos abogado pa.
Sir, may message kayo kay Senator.
Dilema? She can always pray that the truth will come out eventually if there is another truth. Ako naman, hindi naman mahilig mag-ano ng kapwa-tao. Ngayon nasa akin, yung pinapatay ko yung kriminal talagang dapat mong patayin. How can we move in this country if lahat bangag na lang sa droga? You know, paski ganito lang ako, I love my country and I would really destroy you.
Sir, si Bongbong mag-DDILG.
I know, and he's not interested.
Mr. President,
Sir, we missed you.
anong level of integrity ang gusto niyo sa PNP bago niyo sila ibalik sa Tokang operation?
Not exactly. Well, we are all human beings. We all have feet of clay. Diba ka nga? So, yung ano lang, the standard is you must be honest, efficient. You must not be corrupt so that everything will be in order. Alam mo kasi minsan, when you start to crave for things you cannot afford. Pulis ka, tapos gusto mo kaagad ng kotse. Ito, mura na ito, mabili na nila to.
Mukha namang matibay.
Matibay ito.
Mukhang matibay, sir.
Nakaya kami.
Alam mo yung, I remember when I was young, yung Volkswagen noon, may ganitong panahon ni Marcos, progressive, yung parang Beetle na bukas, hindi yung parang bukas, parang minika. Ang tibay noon, yung ginamit, yung binigyan nila noon sa pulis, hindi na pinatuloy, sayang yun. Halos dito na ginawa yun, except for the Indians. Yun, mura talaga yan, tsaka matibay. Gamit ng pulis yun. I was already around when those things were distributed.
Si Gina, do you still like her?
Who?
Si Gina Lopez, sir.
Yes, of course.
Kahit
Hindi ko kukunin yan kung hindi ko gusto.
Kahit hindi niya mag-hurdle yung city?
Well, that's another thing because, you know, this is a democracy. I do not control the careers of people through and through. There are processes to be observed.
Sir,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
sa panyo.
Sir, thanks sa panyo. Sir, mabango mabango yun.
And it looks like the interview may be wrapping up shortly.
Nagbabakasyon. Nagbabakasyon.
Nag-asawa na?
Di ba, sir, walang boyfriend. Nagbabakasyon lang.
Yan ang mahirap.
Sir, naghahanap ng boyfriend.
Are you planning to buy?
Yes, you know, I bought my eldest grandson a second hand. Problem is the other siblings nagselos. Sabi ko not at the same time because cannot afford it, but maybe Baka ito, maka ano tayo.
Bibigay ba ito sa'yo, sir?
Ha?
Bibigay nila sa'yo?
I am not allowed to accept this. You know that.
Yung military, parapol daw nila sa gold. Parapol daw sa gold.
Ito, how much is this? Baka. Baka.
Ano, paunahin na. Sir? Paunahin na.
Kung ibigay, ito yung kaparap.
Sir, bumabalik na yung bintangan ng Cebu sa Kagi. Ano po ang gagawin?
Alam ko,
Ano sila, paano sila ako na?
I go out to Malacanang. I do. Totoo yan. Lumalabas talaga ako ng Malacanang. Hindi ko Kung ayaw na lang huminto, mag-suicide ako. Takutin ko na lang sila. Hindi bomber na lang ako. Suicide bomber. Well, I'll discuss it with the police and the military.
Thank you, sir.
With the police and the military.